Advice ko, wag na tayo manghinayang doon sa fee. If that will guide your life, your career, your business, it's okay to get a coach. So that's one secret of success. Positive Day Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Disuma from Making Teens Projects. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Click mo na po yan, Dr. Gigi Disuma. Alright, so ito yung attire natin ngayon. Hindi nyo makita eh. Special kasi deliberation namin ng grades sa senior, sa basic ed namin, okay? Anyway, so may parents meeting. So, kailangan makita na si principal na maganda. Anyway, so we're almost okay na. Konti na lang siguro mga check ang inihintay natin for our health. Okay? Bago tayo malis, one secret of success na hindi sinasabi sa school, hindi sinasabi sa ibang area, sa ibang place, or na ibang tao, even sa book. Madalang siguro sabihin to. Okay? So, pero ako sabihin ko siya, that one secret of success is, if you want to be successful, really, okay, at this point in time, okay, we're in napaka-busy ng mundo, diba? Ang dami nating ginagawa. Ang isa sa sikreto ko na gusto sabihin sa inyo is, you need a mentor, right? You need a coach. That's reality. It's not because I'm a coach and I'm a mentor. Ako siguro, if I'm going to, if I can go back, okay, when I first earned my salary, binayad ko na lang sa coach ko yon. Because kung nag-coach ako, there was somebody na nagsabi sa akin na you should invest, you should have your business, you should do this, you should don't do that, okay? So siguro I have millions now. If I had a coach. If I had a coach then, my life will be better now. Right? So, because the role of coach is to give you formula. Practical formula that can make you successful. Okay? So, my advice now sa mga kagagraduate or nag-apply ng work, or you're already working, okay, 30 ka na, 40 ka na, and even you already have your business, you still need coach. Because nakita ko sa maraming tao na they are earning money, pero walang nangyayari doon sa pera nila. Dalawa yan eh, wala kang pera or you're earning that much. Okay, so either way, you need a coach. Okay? So, that's why, ang advice ko, wag na tayo manghinayang doon sa fee. If that will guide your life, your career, your business, it's okay to get a coach. So, that's one secret of success. Okay? So, of course, I'm offering myself. It's not that I'm advertising myself, but I've seen different peoples na nagtatestify na na-coach ko na. Ngayon, may business na, may investment na, they are okay. Okay, so, kung wala yung testimony na yon, I will not say this, okay? So, it's not yet late. You call me if pwede tayong online or personal coaching, alright? Okay, so, just call me, 0939-5254311. Okay, so, hindi pa tayo pwedeng magmahaba ng video. Konti na lang, okay? At hindi pa rin pwedeng mabilis, okay? Kailangan natin hangin. By the way, salamat sa mga nagte-text sa atin. Doc SB, thank you very much from Pampanga. And kanina, kahapon galing tayo sa Medical City sa Clark. Okay naman, babalik tayo tomorrow for some check, okay? Alright, so please share this video sa mga kaibigan mo na team mo. They need coach. Kahit mayaman, walang pera, maraming pera, they still need coach. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go.